Hello, hello, testing. Okay, mic is working. Hi, I'm back. Good morning, or afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Today is the last day for reviewing Meta/Facebook interview questions. I'm probably gonna do something else starting tomorrow. So I just realized Vivian's Discord thing is still on here. Let me remove that. Okay, let's start. We've done all the starred problems now that I've written down that have got me in the past. So we're going to start doing the non-starred ones now. First up is Leetcode 408. Leetcode 408. Valid word abbreviation. And it's a premium problem. Okay. Leetcode 408. Hold on, I'm just switching to Microsoft Edge, which contains my brother's Leetcode account. Edge. There we go. Sivi Vishtan says, hey, can you quickly show meta tag questions? Let's see. Leetcode problems. Sounds like someone doesn't have premium. I'll flash you really fast. Oh, bam. Alright, did you get it? Okay, valid word abbreviation. A string can be abbreviated by replacing any number of non-adjacent, non-empty substrings with their lengths. The lengths should not have leading zeros. Replacing any number of non-adjacent, non-empty substrings with their lengths. The length should not have any leading zeros. Okay, for example, a string such as substitution could be abbreviated as, but not limited to, S10. Oh, okay, so it's not what I thought. It's not repeating letters. You can literally repeat any sequence of letters with a number. Okay. Sub 4U4. Okay. The following are not valid abbreviations. S55N. The replaced substrings are adjacent. Okay, yeah, makes sense. S010 has leading zeros. Substitution replaces an empty substring. Okay. Oh, let me get rid of this answer. Replaces an empty substring, has leading zeros. Shoharu says Nyahado. Nyahado? Oh, hello, Nyahado. Welcome to the stream, Shoharu. I remember you. Well, you've been here a lot. Okay. Given a word and an abbreviation ABBR, return whether the string matches the given abbreviation. Okay, sure. So given this and this, oh, I see. No adjacent stuff. So this can only be read as a 55. This can't be read as a 5 and a 5. That's what it means. Okay. So yeah, we go from start to end. If we come across a digit, we keep reading until we read the entire digit, and then we skip that many digits in the first word. Yeah, okay. Okay. And then we check that both of them are at the end. Yeah. Okay. This is apparently an easy question. I marked it down for review though. It's probably not an easy question. Okay, let's review the game plan again. We will, for both the word and ABBR, we will keep iterating from start to end at the same index. When we come across a digit in abbreviation, we keep reading until we read the full digit. I need to remember to support, more than one digit this time. I think that messed me up on previous problems. Once I read the full digit, I skip that many digits. So if I'm on N, and then I read 12, I will skip 12. Yeah, skip 12. Or is it 1 minus 12? So if it's 1, if I skip 1 at N, yeah, it's probably 1 minus the number. And I keep going until I reach the end. Yeah, if I reach the end early on any one, then it's probably not true. Hassan Khan says, sir, today, last day, really? Oh, not like streams forever. I'm probably gonna switch back to blind 75. I don't know if any of y'all were like watching me back then. Probably not, but I was doing blind 75 before I started doing like Facebook questions or like TikTok questions. Yeah. Okay, valid word abbreviation. We need a pointer for both word and abbreviation. Can I make this bigger? No, that's too much. Okay. Int word index is equal to 0. Int abbreviation index is equal to 0. While word index is less than word.length and abbreviation index is less than ABBR.length. So the stop condition is if either one is out of bounds. Okay. What do we do from here? We keep reading the current character, right? The W character is equal to, I forgot the type. Oh yeah, I'm pretty excited by the way. The collab video with Vivian, the alleged child prodigy, is coming out tomorrow. I'm pretty much done editing it. It's gonna be nice. Oh, I don't have a visual for this, but on Saturday, I'm doing another coding battle. This time, I'm facing off against a actual NASDAQ data analyst. Like his profession is actually analyzing data for the NASDAQ. It's gonna be pretty cool. W character is equal to word.character at word I. Abbreviation character is equal to ABBR.character at BBRI. Nice. Okay, so if it's a number, right, that's a special case. Saturday, 9 a.m. at yours. Wait, let me check. The battle is at, yeah, 9 a.m. PST, my time, yeah. Yeah, we're going up against an actual, professional data analyst who codes on his job, so it's going to be pretty exciting. 11 p.m. for me. Oh, yeah, that's pretty late for your time. Okay, what do we do here? There's special cases if... So if it's a digit, we have special behavior, right? If character dot is digit, the abbreviation character, yeah. So we keep reading until we have the entire digit. String builder, SB is equal to new, string builder. I'm just doing this for string concatenation because, well, it's O1 appending time. Now we need to read every single digit. So sb dot add. A character. Sure, let's prematurely add the current character. And then while the abbreviation index is less than abbr.length, and this has to be the next one. If the next index is less than abbr.length, and it's also a digit still, character dot is digit. Let me move this to a new line so it's neater. abbr.character at abbreviation I plus 1. Okay, so if the next digit, no, if the next character in abbreviation is in bounds and it's also a character, then yeah, you add it into our sub string builder. Then I plus 1 sb.append abbreviation.character at. I got the wrong index variable, abbr I plus plus abbr I. Okay. This should fetch the entire character. So int full int is equal to. By the way, can I know what specific job you're looking for? Oh yeah, I'm looking for backend engineering. Yeah. Full int is equal to integer dot parse sb.toString. Okay, and else if the character is not a digit. I'll worry about what to do with this later. I just want to do a quick sanity check now. And else, honestly, there's no else, right? We just keep iterating, going about our way. Yeah, okay. So it's different with data analyst. Yeah, data analyst and backend engineer do different things. Return files, but he can, yeah, in the battles we can choose to work with whatever coding language we want, so hopefully it's more fair that way. Yeah. Okay, I want to print system.out.println print out the full int. Yeah. Okay. Any guesses of what we might print out here? We should print out 12, right? I'm not sure if we'll reach the 4. Yeah, alright. Sure, let's see if we print out the 4. sb.append. I used the wrong helper function. Parse int. Wrong function name again. Is not parse int. Oh, toString is needs parentheses because it's a function. Oh, I know what's wrong. It's an infinite loop. I need to keep incrementing word I and abbreviation I. Okay, we got 12 and 4. Very nice. It can parse all the integers now. 12 and 4. Okay, got a 2. Very nice. Okay. Okay, so we have a way to read our integers in the abbreviations now. That's really nice. Next up, we need to actually skip that many letters in Word. Yeah, in Word. Word I plus equals full int. Okay, this is going to be kind of tricky because I'm wondering if we should skip, you know, the full int or full int minus 1. Okay, in this example, I don't like how the example is like 10 or 12. Okay. Abbreviation I12. So at first we're at II, right? Now we're at 1N. N, okay, so we're at N. How much do we skip? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we would be at here. I think that's too far. We'd go to L, right? So minus 1, yeah, minus 1. Krishna Kant says hi. Hi, Krishna. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing today? Okay, I think we should minus 1. Yeah, okay. I'm also really curious. I want to print out, so else if it's not a digit, print ln. Oh. We need to make sure that the characters are the same. Else, if W character is not equal to A character, then you return false immediately. Yeah. I also want to print out ln what the characters are here. W character plus A character. Nice. Run this thing. Okay, so we got I, Z, Z, N, N. Okay, that's really good. Yeah, we're skipping the right amount of characters. I, Z, Z, N, N. Very good. Case 2, AA, 2, and then LE, we would automatically output false. Okay, that's really good. I'm really worried about the case though. If one of them reaches the end and one of them doesn't. So by default, we should return true here if it got past everything. If we got to the end and one of them is still not at the end, then we have a problem. So we'll probably just copy this similar statement. If one of them, so if one of them is still in bounds, if word I is less than word length, or abbreviation index is still less than abbreviation.length, then we return false. Run this thing. Nice, it worked. Alright, place your best, kids. If I submit this, will this work? First, let me get rid of all my print statements. No, it didn't work. Okay, what's wrong with it? Oh, no leading zeros. Got you, okay. That's pretty easy to fix. If a character is equal to just a 0 literally, then you return false. Let's use this test case. Nice, it works. 2. Oh. I know what's wrong. You're trying to skip 2 things. Okay. plus equals full int minus 1. Let's use this test case. I think I know. It's something to do with this part, right? Let's run. I think some print statements will be helpful. Sure, let's run. Okay, we just print out 2, and then that's it. Word index 0 plus 1 is 0, 1. If word index is greater than word index.length, so if this is out of bounds at the end, then we return false. There's so much like edge cases here. So if you skip some characters and yeah, you end up out of bounds, return false. Abbreviation. Wait, no, the entire word. Word. Oh, greater than or equal to. Then that's out of bounds. Run. Nice. Hey, nice, it works. Okay, very cool. Zumar Malik says hi. Hello. Let me get rid of all these print statements too. Run this thing. Submit. Beats 96.2%. Okay. Very nice. Oh, okay. Today's probably gonna be pretty chill today. Maybe I'll do one more problem and then that's it. 215. Next up I have Leetcode 215. Leetcode 215. Zumar says, I find programming so difficult. Yeah, it is pretty difficult at first. If you keep doing it though, it gets a bit easier. Code 215. You should watch some of my earlier streams. I literally take like an hour, over an hour to do one easy question. Zumar says, how do you do this so easily? Oh, well, there's a couple reasons for this stream, for this particular stream. One is I'm reviewing these. This is a review stream. I've already done these problems before. I'm doing problems that have already, stumped me in the past, so I don't, get stumped again. Usually it's a bit slower than this, yeah. And also, I have been Leetcoding every day for like, how long? I don't know. There should be a number in my Twitch description, but it's like 47 days or something like that. 45? Yeah, 1.5 months now. Hopefully the practice has paid off. Okay, kth largest element in an array. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the kth largest element in the array. Note that it is the kth largest element in the sorted order, not the kth distinct element. Can you solve it without sorting? Oh. Zumar says, my programming paper is less than a week. Wait, you have a programming paper due in less than a week? Dang, bro. Good luck on that. How How much progress have you made? So cool, class. Saiteja Balusu says, what's your rank in Leetcode? Oh, I don't have a rank in Leetcode. I've actually not done any competitions yet because, well, there are always really awkward times for me, not when I stream. Cringe developer says, do you work already? Nope. I am job hunting right now, which is why I'm doing this. Yeah, my issue is that, well, one, I'm not too great at Leetcoding, and two, I get really nervous coding while somebody's watching and under pressure too. I'm not good at coding under pressure, so I am streaming to get used to that, you know, coding while people are watching. And I do think it's helped. I do get less nervous in interviews now. I basically just talk like this in interviews, actually. I just pretend I'm streaming. Yeah. Zumar says, I've done past papers and today I got 1 mark less than an A grade. Oh, that's really pain, man. That sucks. So close, man. It's okay. I'm sure the next paper, hopefully you learn some stuff, right? Hopefully the next paper is going to be better. Okay, return the kth largest element in the array. How? Without sorting, huh? You hunt until you find a work. Yep, that is the plan. Yeah, so I appreciate people coming in and watching me. Introducing peer pressure. It definitely does help me train for interviews. Okay, kth largest. What is the kth largest? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 5th largest would be this one, right? The kth largest element. You can use a heap. Krishna says you can use a heap. Oh, I probably can, yeah. What happens if a heap? Oh wait, the kth largest. No. 5 is not the 5th largest. This is the 1st largest, right? So this is the 2nd largest. The 3rd largest. The 5th largest. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th largest. So if I want to get the 4th largest, I see, okay. I think I see how to use a priority queue here. I just keep inputting elements into the priority queue, right? And keep popping, or whatever you call that in priority queues. Removing and keeping k elements in the priority queue. Yeah. And then yeah. Okay, so if I want the 4th largest, I just keep adding stuff into the priority queue and keep popping out the least, like these two. So these two will be popped out and leave only these in the priority queue. So I just pop the next one in the priority queue, which is 3, and that's my answer. Yeah, alright. Zumar says, and they changed the syllabus and now there's a 15-mark question at the end. Lol, I'll probably get 5 marks from that. Oh, are you in like APCS or something? Or college? Is this for college? And there's not many references for that question since it's new. Krishna Kant, yes, got it. Okay, priority queue, here we go. Priority queue, IGCSE. What's IGCSE? IGCSE. International General Certificate of Secondary Education, age 14 to 16. Wait, what is this? So, is this a high school course? English-based secondary qualification similar to the GCSE. Oh, it's like a high school level program, I guess. Particular to United Kingdom. I see. Well, good look at that. Man, I think I need to review priority queues. I already forgot how to like make a custom one. Comparator.comparing, I guess. Java comparator.comparing. Person.getAge, okay. Okay, priority queue PQ is equal to new priority queue. And we need to put integers here, new priority queue. Okay, and luckily it's already in the right order for us. The default thing, it always pops out the least ones first. So for every single num, int num, in nums, what do? We input into the priority queue. PQ dot is an add. Is that how queues work? Add num. And then if the queue size exceeds k, then we pop out stuff. If pq.size is greater than k. Zumar says, how do you know what to add? I get so confused on what functions to use. How do you know what to add? What functions to use? Oh, you mean this? How do I know to add? I think because I used priority queue before a bunch of times on stream. Yeah, it just comes with experience. It's hard to memorize at first too, but if you use it like 5 times in a row, you start to get it. Java, priority queue. You know what? I'm starting to second guess myself. Is it actually add? Is it actually insert? Did I get it wrong? Maybe I'm wrong. Priority queue, add. Oh, never mind, it's add. I am right, it's add. Priority queue add num. So if pq.size is greater than k, pq.remove. Zumar says, sorry, I gotta leave right now. Hey, no worries. I appreciate you popping in. It was nice. And then in the end, Zumar says, keep it up. Thanks, man. I appreciate. I just return pq.remove. Is that how remove works? Java, priority queue. Does remove return a boolean, or does it actually return the object that are removed? Oh, return value. Return true, oh, okay. Dang it. Wait, but that's what the parameter. Remove. Remove. Dang, it actually just removes stuff. So the right thing to use is peak, maybe? Huh. It removes any objects. Okay. Wait, I thought it was remove. But this just returns a boolean. Java, priority queue, get last element. Get element. Get next element. How to get next element? It's pull? Oh, peek or pull. Okay, pull. Okay, I guess it's pull. Return pq dot pull. Oh, thanks Krishna. Pull. Alright, I'm gonna sign into Leetcode really quickly so I can run this thing. Give me one moment. Gmail.com. And we are back. Let's run this thing. Huh. Alright. It worked. Try Tower of Hanoi. That'd be interesting. Do I feel like doing another one after this? Where are you from? Dang, that feels really slow for a priority queue. Alright, I mean, we're kind of like smack in the middle of the highest one, so I guess that's fine. Excuse me. Try Tower of Hanoi, that'd be interesting. Oh, I think I've did Tower of Hanoi before. I'm not sure if I want to do it this stream though. I feel like keeping the stream pretty short today. Like, maybe just over an hour, and I still want to spend time doing system design. Krishna says, where are you from? Oh, I am from United States. Yeah. A lot of you guys are from the other side of the globe, right? The streaming time. Some people tell me they're from Kazakhstan. Or like Indonesia. What time is it now in Kazakhstan? Indonesia. Time in Indonesia now. India. Oh yeah, some people from there too. Huh, some people usually watch me at night, huh? On the other side of the globe. Very cool. GN for us. Yeah. Okay. Should we... What graph algorithms are you familiar with? Graph algorithms? Good question. What algorithms am I familiar with? I know like breadth first search, depth first search. Is that what you're looking for? What even qualifies as a graph algorithm? Graph algorithms. Yeah, I know BFS and DFS. Cycles in a graph. Shortest path in a graph. Isn't that still BFS? Connectivity in a graph. I recently just learned that. I'm actually not sure how to do cycles in a graph. Let's look at this. Cycles in a graph. Detect cycle in directed graph? Sure. We can use DFS. Node points to one of its ancestors. Track all the visited nodes. Oh, okay. Alright. Track all the visited nodes in a recursion stack. I see. Dextras, prims, algo, they're very cool. Oh yeah. Dextras is used for like... what was it used for again? Finding the shortest path too? Yeah, Dextras is pretty cool. I don't remember it actually. I just remember learning it in school. Okay. Oh, you know what? There is something I want to do today. I had an interview recently. They gave me a question and I didn't know how to do it. Max point in interval. Yeah, and there was no corresponding Leetcode too. Point and max overlapping intervals. Okay, unfortunately there's not going to be a Leetcode visual for this. So yeah, this is the question I got. Given number m and n intervals in the form AB, where for every interval, okay, create a program that returns a point where the maximum number of intervals overlap. Okay. Yeah, how the frick do we do this? Apparently this is like another problem, carpooling. There is a car with capacity empty seats. The vehicle only drives east. Okay. You cannot turn around and drive west. Okay. You are given the integer capacity and an array trips, where trips I is equal to num passengers from 2 indicates that the ith trip has num passengers, and locations to pick them up and drop them off are from and to respectively. The locations are given as the number of kilometers due east. Huh. Return true if it is possible to pick up and drop off all passengers for all the given trips, false otherwise. Capacity 4. What's num passengers? Capacity 4. Return true if it is possible to pick up and drop off all passengers for all the given trips. Wait, I don't think this is the same problem though. So trip has num passengers from 2. Wait, is this the same problem? I can't tell. Ith trip has num passengers. So this is your maximum number of passengers you can take on that trip. Locations to pick them up and drop them off from. The locations are given as the number of kilometers due east. Return true if it is possible to pick up and drop off all passengers for all the given trips. Oh, okay, so num passengers is like the number of passengers that want to go from here to here. Return true if it is possible to pick up and drop off all passengers for all the given trips, or false otherwise. Okay, so there's 2 passengers that want to go from location 1 to 5. And there's 3 passengers that want to go from 3 to 7. 1 to 5, and then 3 to 7. Okay, I understand what the question is asking, but I don't think it's the same problem I'm looking at. Krishna says, bye, good night. Bye, Krishna. Appreciate you stopping by. Java solution with min heap. Okay, should I just try to understand this? Deepak Sp24 says, hi, hello, how you doing? Okay, min heap. These are the intervals. Get max point. Get max point. Okay, we have a priority queue that stores what? A comma B, A0 minus B0. Okay, so it stores int arrays. If you put in, so it orders these by the starting. Okay, so you're ordering this by start index, by the start of the intervals. Okay. Result is equal to integer.min value. Global max is equal to 0. Max is 0. Okay. For every int in intervals. Okay, for every interval in your intervals. Can you guys see this, by the way? I'll make this bigger. So for every single interval in your intervals, you put it into your min heap. New a new array with the interval start and end. Huh. Very interesting. Okay, so you put into your priority queue separately your start and end of the interval. Is this how you mark this as a start? And this is how you mark this is an end with a 1 and -1. Okay. Okay, so at this point you have a priority queue with all of your interval starts and ends inputted separately, along with the 1 if it is a start and a -1 if it is an end. Okay, well, min heap is not empty. Current is equal to min heap.pull. Does pulling, what does pulling do? Okay, it retrieves and removes the head. Okay, so it removes too. Okay. Okay, so it's all ordered by start and end now. Min heap.pull. Max plus equals current 1. Huh. I don't get it. So you're getting the second number, which is a 1 if it's a start of an interval, and -1 if it is an end of an interval. Sure, okay. Max plus equals current 1. I don't get what they're doing here. If max is greater than global max is equal to max. I don't understand what they're doing here. Let's try plugging this into a online Java compiler. Online Java compiler. I think it'll be helpful to print out what it's actually doing. Is this even gonna fit in here? Public static, okay. Can I find symbol Q? Import java.util. Okay. Get max point. Is 0 actually the right answer here? 0 is here, 0 is here. 6, 7. Okay. Okay. Min heap.pull max plus equals current I. Okay. I think it'll be useful to actually print out what is in the priority queue. System.out.println min heap. Min heap dot toString maybe? toString run this thing. It does not print out very prettily. And it's printing out. Oh, okay. Frick. Okay. Let's just pop everything out and print everything, yeah? While min heap dot is empty, not empty, int element is equal to min heap dot pull, and you print it out, system.out dot println lm dot arrays dot toString lm. Nice. Okay, so what you have out is all this starts with 1, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay. Okay. This is probably from... This is from here, right? Yeah, okay. So we have -3, 1, 0, 1. These are all the starting points. 2 is an end. 5 is a 1. 6 is a 1. Okay, 7 is an endpoint. Okay, okay. That makes sense. Okay. Comment this out. So over here, let us print out what our current is. Max plus equal to current 1. Let's print out what the max is too. Dot out dot println max plus max. Result is current. Okay. Dating max, I guess. And the result is equal to current. Okay, sure. Let's print all this out. Okay, so we have -3 first, which is the star of 1. Okay, max is 1. Updating Gmax can result -3. Alright, so our best is now -3. 0, 1. Starting point 0, max is 2. Huh. Updating Gmax and result to 0. I don't understand. What are they doing here? 2, -1. Max is 1. We get to here, -1. Okay. So if this is a start, sure, we're guaranteed that this thing appears once. 0, 1. We're guaranteed that 0 appears after -3. Krishna says basically he's calculating max consecutive overlaps. Max consecutive overlaps. Okay, so if we're ignoring Sure, if we're ignoring where 0 ends, then sure, we have one overlap here, which is 2. We have now 2 overlapping intervals. Okay, okay. Update result. Okay, sure. Oh, okay, okay. -1 here, so we close an interval. Oh, I see, I see. We close an interval here, so we have only... So max is basically the number of overlapping intervals. I see. So after we close an interval, our number of overlapping intervals is 1. We close another one, so our overlapping is 0. Oh. I see, I see. Thanks, Krishna. That was helpful. We open another interval here. 1. We close another interval here. Oh. I see, I see. You know what? That makes a crap ton of sense. Can we make things more exciting? Let's make, like, many overlapping ones. Let's do, like, -1 and 0. And let's do one outlier like this. So it should still be, like, 0, right? Yeah. Okay. -3, which is the starting point, max 1 interval. -1, 1. Another start is at -1, so 2. 2 intervals are now open. Yeah, 2 open intervals right now. -1, 0 and 1 is now a starting point too. So max we have 3 overlapping intervals. Oh, got you. 0. We close one of them, so we now have 2 overlapping intervals. We close another 1. We close another 0. That makes a crap ton. That makes so much sense. Jesus. Okay, I think I get it now. Is there a problem like this in... Dang, that's pretty clever. Meeting rooms 2. Man, people are always saying that they found a similar question, but it's never completely similar. Leetcode, meeting rooms 2. I feel like I've done this too. We just sort everything by start and then put everything in a priority based on the end, right? You need to interval problems first in Leetcode. I actually have solved a couple. I guess it's not enough. Maybe next stream I'll solve like more interval problems. Okay. Yeah. Well, yep, I missed. Yeah, this was a problem that I missed during the interview. Now I know how to do it, I guess. Oh. You know what? I feel like just ending the stream today. We solved 2 medium problems as review, and then we finally figured out a problem that I missed during the interview. God damn. Yeah, sorry no system design today. I feel like taking a short break from system design. I have no more system design interviews coming up anyway, so yeah, I could use a break from that. Alright, thank you everyone for coming. Yeah, tomorrow, let's see, am I streaming tomorrow? Yeah, I'm most likely streaming tomorrow. Alright, thank you to everyone who came. Thanks Krishna for staying till the end. Bye guys, see you tomorrow. Can I raid anyone right now? Is anyone? Does anyone I know on right now? Nah, nobody's on. Alright, bye guys.